Hi everyone. Opera Browser offers built-in features like a free VPN and privacy settings that help us control our online experience. Many of us want to change our browser location to access content from different regions, see how websites look in other countries, or improve our privacy. Adjusting Opera's location settings can help with these needs. But we need to know how these settings work and how to change them safely so we do not affect the browser's performance or security. This guide explains how we can change our location in Opera safely and correctly. Opera lets us change our location using its VPN and site permission settings. We will show how to turn on Opera's VPN, pick a virtual location, and manage which sites can access our location. By learning about these tools, we can browse more privately, access region-restricted content, and control how our location data is shared online. Using these steps the right way helps keep everything working well and secure. Now, let's see how we can change the location in Opera without a third-party VPN. First, open your Opera browser. Go to the upper right corner and find your mini profile picture for your Opera account. Click it. We will be redirected to our Opera account. In the Opera account, go to Personal Info. Here, we can select our region. This is where we can change our region in Opera. Yes, we can change it, and Opera's VPN is legitimate. We can now access websites from other countries. Once we have adjusted our location and settings in Opera, we can enjoy a more flexible and controlled browsing experience. Whether we want more privacy or access to region-specific content, using Opera's built-in tools responsibly is important. Remember, changing our virtual location does not make us completely anonymous. Safe browsing habits are still needed. With the right settings, we can browse the web with more privacy and control.